Hello, thanks for joining us. Today we have a PDEA process value alarm enclosure assembly. This is a 4-channel assembly. We have 4 PD6000 6R7s and 2 PD154 alarm annunciators, along with a 3-color alarm beacon and a silence button, all assembled in a plastic NEMA 4X housing. This is set up for tank level monitoring, for chemical bulk storage, a fill port display and alarm box. A trucker would drive up, and this would be mounted next to the fill port to give him indication of the tank level and any alarm statuses. I have a signal generator simulator connected to the first panel meter, and so we'll see the level rise up a little bit to the set point. At which point the horn turns on, the color turns to yellow, and this is indicated on the first high-level alarm annunciator. That will remain indicated until the status clears. If the level continues to rise up, then we will see a high alarm. So the color changed to red, and we have the high alarm indicated on the annunciator. Again, those maintain until the set point's clear. As the value goes back down. High turns off, and then the high turns off, returning to normal operation. Additionally, on the inside of the box, we have a test button set up. This is mounted inside the box so as not to confuse an operator trying to silence the alarm, and this is available for maintenance and operations personnel to test and make sure the lights and the horn work as they do their preventative maintenance rounds. So just by pushing and holding this button, we'll see all the lights and the horn activate. Additionally, all of the connections are pre-wired, so there's plenty of room for conduit entry. So you drill your conduit entries, connect your 4 to 20 sensor inputs. There are 24-volt power supplies available to power on the sensor, and then there's additional 4 to 20 retransmission and relay contacts as well. So it's all put together in a nice NEMA 4X enclosure. And we'd hope you consider for any and all projects. Thank you very much.